Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So finally Lenovo launched their Yoga tablet with the Yoga Tablet 13, 11 and the P11 Plus. Following the launch of the Yoga Pad 13 Pro 13 in China, Lenovo has announced that the unique tablet will become available in Europe, the Middle East and Africa in June for €800 and in the US for July at $680. Note that this slight name change to the Yoga Tab 13. If the 13 tablet is too large or too pricey for you, there is a Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 which will start at $320. It will be available in EMEA in June and in the US in August, and you lose the micro HDMI port and the Snapdragon 870 chipset, but the 11 slot is not without its charm. It's not powered by the Helio G90T chipset and it's available in a Wi-Fi only and LTE version. The 13-inch model is a Wi-Fi only. This 12nm chipset features 2x Cortex A76 cores and a Mil G76 GPU. The base configuration is the 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gig storage. There is also available 8 gigs and 256 gigabytes option. The Yoga Tab 11 has an 11-inch LCD with a 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution. It's matched the larger slot with a 400 nits of brightness and Dolby Vision support, but lack HDR10. Either way, you are getting a 60 Hz refresh rate. On the plus side, that the smaller tab offers that the same audio experience with a 4 JBL speaker with a Dolby Atmos Sports and the Lenovo Premium Audio solution. The 7500 mAh battery may be smaller capacity, but with a smaller screen to feed it, promise 15 hours of video playback. Charging is done with a 20-volt wireless charging. Also, the tablet is lighter, and the Lenovo Precision Pen 2 is supported for those with artistic ability. The stainless steel kickstand can be used to position the tablet in a various orientation. A more work-oriented offering is the new Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, so bracket up version. This Tab 11 Pro available is a $260. The Plus model swipes the Snapdragon 662 and one of the greatest SPAT, and it's available in a 6 and the 4 gigabytes and 128 and 64 gigabytes version. So this is the new Lenovo tabs, the Tab 11 and the Tab 11 Plus and the Yoga Tab 13. Let me know in the comment section which one you like, and also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.